Hello, wisdom seekers. Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing a guided meditation with Golden Healer's Quartz, the Healer's Stone. For those who are new to my channel, I'm Shannon and I'm a certified Reiki master and teacher, a certified gemologist, and now a brand new published author. I just released my book, Crystal Wisdom, Unearthing the Power of Gemstones for Positive Life Change, and I'll include a link to that in the eye above and in the description below if you're curious about checking that out. But today, we are going to practice crystal wisdom, sitting with the energy of Golden Healer's Quartz, listening to the prompts and determining if this is a gemstone that you would like to work with more. If you haven't already watched the video, the top 4 crystal wisdom benefits of Golden Healer's Quartz, then I'll link to that video in the eye above if you would like to hear more about the supportive benefits of this absolutely powerful stone, Golden Healer's Quartz. If you have a piece of Golden Healer's Quartz, this is a great time to go get it and put it next to your meditation space. But you do not need a gemstone to benefit from this guided meditation. If any of the questions that I bring up during this meditation, they speak to you, they feel really familiar, or they trigger you a little bit, then that's a sign that you should get this gemstone and work with it some more. The only other thing that you'll need before we start this meditation is a comfortable seat. So that could be on a cushion on the floor, it could be in a chair, it could be directly on the ground outside, just as long as you can stay comfortable and alert for about 10 minutes while we sit in this guided meditation. So if you have your Golden Healer's Quartz, or you're ready to picture a golden quartz crystal in your mind and you have your comfortable seat, then let's begin. I invite you to close your eyes and start taking some slow, deep breaths. And bring your awareness to what it feels like in your body to breathe right now. Is it open and easy? Does it feel tight? How does it feel? And bringing your awareness to your physical body, and notice if there are any sensations standing out to you right now. And checking in with your heart, and recognizing if there's any emotions with you today. And drawing your attention to your mind. And notice the state of your mind, if it's busy or calm or distracted. And we're not trying to fix or change anything, but just checking in and noticing what's going on with you right now. And bringing that attention to the places on your body that touch the chair, the floor, or the ground beneath you, and initiating this connection with the earth. And remember that you are sitting on top of the entire earth, directly over its center. You're perfectly supported, and you have access to all of the energy of the earth during this meditation. You are guided and supported today. If you do have a piece of golden healer's quartz, then pick that up and place that in your non-dominant hand. This is your receiving hand. It will receive the energies of the gemstone today. If you don't have a piece of the gemstone, then picture a golden crystal in your mind. But if you are holding the stone, then take a moment to feel it in your hand, to feel its weight, to turn it about in your fingers, to feel its surface, where it might be smooth or rough, and take a minute to get to know your piece of golden healer's quartz. And then imagine that you are sitting underneath the warm and healing sun, that its golden rays are shining down on you, providing energy and healing and rejuvenation. And sit with this image of golden healer's quartz energy for a minute. Golden healer's quartz is the healer's stone. And as you sit with or imagine this gemstone, then consider the following questions and how they may or may not relate to your life right now. Are you an energy worker or a Reiki healer? Do you want to strengthen your energy field and your aura? Do you work in any healing, caretaking, or therapeutic profession? Do you need to take the time for more self-care? Are there issues from the past that need deep healing and resolution? Golden healer's quartz is a gemstone that supports all of those life situations. And if one of those questions stood out to you more than the others, then bring it back to your heart, to your body, to your mind, and sit with it for another minute or two while you hold or imagine the gemstone. Notice if anything changes about the way that you feel about that situation since you've been holding the gemstone. Notice if anything has changed in your body, your heart, or your mind since you started the guided meditation. And release the image of the golden healer's quartz energy. And release the situation that you were sitting with and just come back to your natural breathing. And when you feel ready, then open your eyes. Thank you so much for sitting with me today in a guided meditation with Golden Healer's Quartz. And if you do feel called to work with Golden Healer's Quartz, if it feels like a gemstone you would like to work with more, then these meditations were meant to be repeated about 2 to 3 times a week for a couple of weeks until you can quickly call up the supportive benefits of the gemstone as soon as you need it. And that is the essence of how crystal wisdom can work in your life. By knowing which situations that you want support with, which gemstones will help you, and using them when you need them for more insight and wisdom and guidance on how to manage your life challenges and your goals in life. And this inspires transformation and positive life change. If you would like to learn more about that process, please do check out my book, Crystal Wisdom. And if you have been watching my videos, you enjoy them, or you're new to the channel and you'd like to learn a lot more about crystals and gemstones, then please do subscribe to the channel so you don't miss a single gemstone video. Thank you so much, and I will see you again next week.